Hello world! What you feel is what you project, and what you project determines how people respond to you. If you don't like how others treat you, or if you are not attracting the kind of person that you want to date, then you have to become the person you have always needed to be in order to love who you are first. Confidence is the result of success and comes from providing to yourself that you are good at what you do. Class is being unbothered by the opinions of others and keeping to your own standard. No matter how others behave around you, intelligence, well, that speak for itself, you either have it and develop it or you don't. What make intelligence, confidence, and class sexy? That makes a person powerful and dominant because a person like this knows who they are, how to get what they want, and they are not afraid to lead. Imagine being able to make other people feel the way that you want them to feel about you instead of avoiding people to protect yourself or being afraid of them. How great would it feel actually feel sexy? By Joel Clemons. On this post of Anna about mornings with Ama, it's episode 3, she is asking us saying, please let me know how it is with you. With the caption of it, why so? Why? On this post of Anna, she is telling us, hi there. How often have you heard that you are too much? How often people laugh at your sense of humor or from what you say, the way you say it? How often have you just felt that you don't fit in? My question for you is, do you care about opinion of others? And really, do you care? Why are you doing this to yourself? P.S.
Cześć. Jak często słyszałeś, że jesteś za bardzo? A jak często śmiano się z twojego poczucia humoru albo z tego, co mówisz, w jaki sposób mówisz? Jak często po prostu czułeś, że nie pasujesz? Moje pytanie do ciebie brzmi, czy przejmujesz się opinią innych? A tak naprawdę, dlaczego to sobie robisz? PS.
Don't forget guys to write your answer on the comment section below. Workout time! Anna asking all of us if we want to train with them. Sure, Anna, we will work out with you.
Czekaj, bo to się kameruje chyba.
Dzień dobry. Zaraz stawimy ćwiczonka. Jak mnie dzisiaj Alisa zmęczyła i już mówiłam, o matko, o Boże, o matko bosko kochano. Bardzo chciałybyśmy zrobić z Wami live'a, w którym będziecie mogli ćwiczyć z nami.
Dokładnie, zapraszamy.
Dajcie znać, czy jesteście chętni tutaj. I byłoby to w przyszły poniedziałek. To jest, dzisiaj jest 13, czyli 20. 29 rano. Czy jesteście team Trenuj z nami?
Zapraszamy, dajcie znać, czy jesteście chętni i czy będziecie.
Licznie. Tak, licznie. Liczymy.
Licz tak.
On this session, it's a knees to abs on the ball. Look at it.
Dzisiaj nie ma zmiłuj. Męczymy Amę. Żałuję, że tak późno zaczęłam nagrywać, bo przed chwilą było Matko Bosko kochano, chyba 5-krotne. Trzecia seria. A jeszcze 4, chciałabym rzec. Wszystko jest w twojej głowie. Kim jesteś?
With this, it's a stretching the back session. Watch it.
Oto tip na rozciąganie pleców. Jak Was ciągnie w lędźwiowym, krzyżowym, najszerszy, prostowniki. To sobie tak zwisamy. Możesz nawet jeszcze bardziej rozluźnić nogi, żeby poślady poszły w dół. O. A teraz wyprowadź tą nogę za siebie. Jeszcze mocniej, mocniej, mocniej i daj ją sobie na skosik. O, właśnie. Super. Ciągnie bardziej prawa strona? Tak. Super.
On this story of Anna, an invitation for all dear ones. Tomorrow around 10:08, we invite you from Question for Breakfast TV episode to Marika Gradkowska. Tune in, we are going to talk sisterhood, friendship, health, and multidimensional reciprocity. True, Anna. As to what you have said, women's support is most important. We really can do more together.
Dzień dobry, wspaniałe trio. Wspaniałe dlaczego? Bo to jest Marika, to jest Ilona, to jestem ja. Wspaniałe dlatego, bo każdy z was są wspaniałe. Rozmawiałyśmy dzisiaj o siostrzeństwie, o tym, że warto sobie pomagać, być wzajemne.
Warto się wzajemnie inspirować, motywować i dodawać sobie skrzydeł.
Bo kto jak nie my?
Dokładnie, kto jak nie my. I mamy takie przeświadczenie, tak z naszego wnętrza to wynika i doświadczeń, że wtedy, kiedy kochamy siebie tak naprawdę i zdajemy sobie sprawę z własnej wartości, to wsparcie tym bardziej nas, kobiet, do naszych sióstr, kobiet, jest tym bardziej piękne, mocne i wartościowe. Czego wam bardzo życzymy. Wspierajmy siebie.
Razem możemy więcej.
Ściskamy.
On this episode of Question for Breakfast with the caption of it, our guests Ama, Ilona, and Marika share their thoughts on sisterhood, support, and female solidarity. See why mutual motivation and support is key to building strength within a group. When one of us grow, we all grow. Together we can do more. Instead of cutting each other's wings, let's help each other to soar high. On Anna post with a caption on it, magical people do exist. They popping up out of nowhere. Suddenly one day they walk into your life and start talking about everything. Joys, hurts, experiences, sadness, and wounds. When you realize it, you are already telling them about your dog, what you eat, your crazy and passions. That's what magic people are like. In seconds, you let them into your world. They do what others haven't done in years. They enter your universe. And there they are. They come to accompany you for a minute, a day, a month, to offer you little magic. They come to take care of you, give you lighter air. They come to offer you their friendship, coming to hug you. They do come for a little while, or they stay forever. We are all love. On this Anna's story, she discussed to us today still within the framework of Mocobel Jewelry, wonderful woman Marietta, together with the Women Supporting Women, brand created a beautiful Ti Amo Bambina collection. Jewelry is a tribute to Italians' elegance infused with romanticism and timeless sensuality, inspired by flowers, symbols of strength, beauty, and gentleness. It is created for women who wants to express their power and subtlety in a unique way. Every piece of this collection, from expressive earrings to subtle necklace, has been designed to be not only an ornament but a personal talisman, an amulet worn close to the heart. I wear mine. Proudly, highly recommended. Simone reposts a post of a blogger, Future Rider US, about the fire happened in LA with its caption on it, amid the flames, even the smallest lives fight for survival. Firefighters risk everything to save not only people but the voiceless creatures of the wild, a heartbreaking reality of courage and loss. It's so sad. In this fire in LA, many lives, properties, and others have been lost. Simone, You do really love dog. Is this a new puppy dog of yours? Oh, I'm jealous. I wish I am also a dog, so you can love me too. Grand Mosque in Abu Dhabi, UAE is a beautiful solemn place. Like the reflection of beauty of the soul of Mama Ruba, who is now in this mosque. Lovely to see Michele and how he promotes his own work of art as he is watching his own movie Subservience on the platform Netflix. As for me, it's a good movie as to how it showed the love for his family. Michele reposts a news from out about his manager Chuck James, where he been so proud of Chuck as to the news article wherein it emphasized Chuck as an agent of change at ICM, where his inclusion initiative foster LGBTQ+ acceptance. On this news, it talked about Chuck's struggles on how he climbed to where he is now as one of the most influential agents in Hollywood, and as to what he said that he wants to make sure that the next generation doesn't have to swim with sharks. It's a wow! It's a round of applause. Let's see and hear the news from Whoopsie as Michele posts a story about this complete new campaign ad of Dolce & Gabbana, as it said, passion, seduction, love. These are the suggestions that Dolce & Gabbana chooses to express with a new exclusive fragrance designed for him, Devotion for Men, the Eau de Perfume for Men that joins the new iconic family of Devotion. Fragrances which has already conquered the noses and hearts of many enthusiasts. A celebration of the most ancient and powerful feelings of all the ones suggested by this fragrance, which comes with a sophisticated packaging that recalls the feminine vibrant, sealed by the now famous Sacred Heart, now a well-known symbol of the Italian brand. This time in silver version, a story that wants to celebrate union and complicity for a fragrance that exalts human passion and the immense joy in living them otherly. And the spot dedicated to the launch of the perfume is no exemption, telling in the most profound and poetic way possible not only the essence of the fragrance but also the world of the brand in all its nuances. At the direction, we find the fortunate partnership with one of the masters of Italian cinema, Giuseppe Tornatore, who with Dolce & Gabbana has signed some of the most beautiful spots ever, contributing to the international success of the brand since the beginning. The campaign protagonist is a global symbol of contemporary Italian sensuality, Michele Morone, with him the model Maya Hama, among the splendid and majestic street of the historic center of Palermo, for an imaginary full of Mediterranean passion and genuine sensuality, the perfect backdrop for a meeting designed to leave it smart. The two protagonists begin their journey together among the bright colors and inebriating scent of the local market, attracting the admiring glances of passers-by. By it only takes a moment, and as if by magic, Maya disappears, taking with her a memory, a promise to meet again. During the procession, Michele searches for her in the crowd, devoted to love and to her, fleeting and elusive like a daydream. Designed by master perfumer Oliver Cresp, this unique fragrance is born from a passionate olfactory journey that brings to the mind the fondest memories and deep connection with the Mediterranean. As a child, Oliver often accompanied by his father on his trip to Sicily. It was during these ideal moments that he discovered the captivating synergy of coffee and lemon, which gives life to a unique and unforgettable aroma. Dolce & Gabbana Devotion for Men Eau de Perfume is a woody spicy fragrance that perfectly blends notes of coffee, Italian lemon, and patchouli, inspired by the Sicilian tradition of adding a touch of lemon of espresso. The unmistakable notes of coffee intertwined with the timely notes of lemon to create a fragrance with a unique contrast at the heart of the composition. The earthy and reassuring qualities of patchouli give character and depth, balancing the spicy note of coffee, while the invigorating essence of lemon adds a vibrant touch. The magnificent landmark tower of New York, New York, New York! Mikel is in Brooklyn, New York this time, and the reason why he is in America is to compose a new song of him that soon we can hear in all music platforms. Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button, share this video to others, and please subscribe on my channel. Day 14 of the 365 days of 2025. A message to all. Let's face it, we all impress with someone who is good at what they do, not someone who has an excuse for their weaknesses or failures. In order for a woman to stay attracted to a man, she has to be able to trust, respect, and admire him. If you are just a nice guy, it means that you are not ready for a successful relationship yet. You are not confident enough or ready to know how to lead by action yet. Nice guys want a woman to be nurturing in a motherly way. A good man knows how to be protective and strong for the woman he loves. Just being a nice guy means that you will only make a good friend, not someone who is qualified to be her life partner. She needs to be able to trust you because you know how to control your thoughts, feelings, fears, and ego. Your confidence and belief in yourself is what she will find the most sexy about you. A nice guy makes a nice friend, but a good man makes a great lover. By Joel Clemons.